convention is getting ready to start. We're super excited. The new catalog release has the most amazing things in it. I had the camera flip. I just had somebody try to photobomb my live. So I just want to turn the camera around and show you how many people are here. So there you go. This place is packed of crazy women. I have 8 of them here for my team. Last year it was just me. I didn't have any team members here. It was just me and my sister. But I've got a bunch of friends. That's what's great about this company. You make a lot of friends along the way. There's this table full of girls who are all my friends, and then there's all my friends over here. Anyway, so we're just having a big blast here at convention, and there's a new catalog release that has the most amazing things in it, and you guys should check it out. I'll be posting it later. I love you guys, and we will catch up soon. Like I said, if you didn't hear me, that new catalog is amazing. I didn't think they could up their game, but they sure as heck did. It's green day, so everybody's wearing green. However, I don't have any green in my wardrobe, so I'm wearing red. Anyway, I hope you guys have a good day, and we'll catch up soon. Hey everybody, if you like this video, please click on the subscribe button and then hit the bell icon. And don't forget to visit my website. Thank you.